Hello and welcome my friend, and then I am planning to show you that how you can read Toyota Corolla cars and Toyota Corolla hybrid cars defect codes, and for that purpose we need OPD scanner. There is this connector, and if you have a little bit better this device, then you can read also Toyota's these codes. And let's go to install this scanner in position. This test really starts so that there is this my scanner, and firstly I have to turn on this my car. This is first step, that I press brake pedal, and now engine is ready for run. Okay, good. And now when power is on, we can check that power is on. Then I have to connect this my OPD scanner, and there is this my scanner, and there is port. It is in here, this white one, and in that area I connect this my scanner. Excellent. And now my scanner start to work, and we can look these results in here. Okay, and it is good that engine is running, like in my case, in this Toyota hybrid car. And then I select this OPD. There are those buttons and diagnostic, and we look at what we can see, and there is really codes found here, and again enter button and read codes, and code is defined by manufacturer, and in my case I can go to look in Toyota things. There is Toyota, and my code is P3190, and in that case it is not in this my device thing, and I have to check this error in internet, and I will inform soon that what it is this Toyota's defect code. And it is interesting that there is no any error lights in there, but there is some code, and I will check this my code next in Google search. Okay, and now when I am reading that what is this code P3190 Toyota, and there is so many possible causes that when we look that there is defective throttle body, defective engine, defective mass airflow, okay, and really many issues, okay. And now I have to investigate my Toyota more, but this was this code, and interesting P3190, okay, from Google search. And let's continue, my friend, in next movie, that issue. And next I am planning to show you that how to replace this Toyota Corolla hybrid cars MAF sensor. This is mass airflow sensor in fuel injection system. Okay, and this sensor is really in here, and we need for that job now Phillips head screwdriver, and let's go to open firstly this connector, what is in here, and let's look closer at that area. Okay, and first step is to take out this connector, and this connector opens so that I have to press that side in here, and then this pull up, and then move in back in same way in this way. An idea is to press this switch in here, that way, and now it's open. Excellent. And then I need Phillips head screwdriver. Okay, and now I have Phillips head screwdriver, and I install this my screwdriver in here and rotate that screw away in that way carefully, and then next screw, and there is 2 screws, normal screw, actually they are specific screws what are made for that purpose. And next one is that I have to carefully lift that up. This goes only in one way in here. And there is this muff sensor. And what we need to check is that let's go to look this area closer. Okay, and then what we need to check in this sensor. This is really critical. In that area in here, that area, there is this sensor element in here. And this area must be clean. In where that hole we can see this mass airflow sensor in here, and if this is dirty or sandy or dusty in your case, then you have to clean this area with this carburetor cleaner or mass airflow sensor cleaning spray. And this sensor, this small cable in here, what we can see, this must be so clean than my one. And then we look at even closer this part. Okay, and now we have really nice view, and really this inside part, this must be so clean in like my case. And also this outer element, it must be similar, clean, air goes through that hole in here and then outside in here. And there is also air hole in here. And there is this information that maker, it is Hitachi and Toyota part, and there is this product code in here, and this is really original part, but maker is Hitachi from Japan. And really this area must be so clean, so like in my case, this is the point. And if this is dirty and full of sand and dusty, then our car, it won't, and it don't work well. It like hesitates and is slow reaction in gas. Okay, very nice. And there are those cables in their inside, those sensor cables in here. We can see in there. Good. And this is really important part in our car. Okay, thank you. And then check also that there is small gasket in that area, that this is fine and in good condition, because this area must be sealed. There is this black gasket in there, in here. Okay, and then we install this part back. Okay, and then we install this part back, and this really goes in that area only in one way. And I install this my connector in up, and there was 2 those screws, and install these screws carefully, because there is risk that we can damage this plastic base, that one. This can be, this is plastic and soft, and that's, do not over tighten these, only so much that it goes like in end, in this way. This is good. And then second screw also in here, and so deep that it takes contact, and then it goes nicely. And final part is to install this connector and listen this click sound. Good. And now this job is ready and we can be happy.